Welcome to SweepSheet. In this video, we're going to talk about restricted sweepstakes. So to begin, what is a restricted sweepstakes? A restricted sweeps is a sweepstakes where entry is limited in extent, number, scope, action, membership, status, or other qualifying factor or factors. Now, what does that mean in English? In English, that means certain criteria have to be met in order for you to enter this sweepstakes. Well, why is that important? It's important because it means fewer people will be able to enter in total and your odds of winning will be increased. We're going to show you in this video exactly how to find restricted sweepstakes to enter. To begin, we're going to go to sweepsheet.com, hit member sign in. As always, we're going to use our demonstration account for this video. We're going to begin by going to Sweepstakes Listings right here on the left. Now, you've seen this before. This page contains all of the different sweepstakes that are in the SweepSheet database. For this one, we're going to scroll down to restricted sweeps, and you can see that there are 312 of them, the last one being posted yesterday. When we click on this, you're going to see a list of all of those restricted sweepstakes. Now, these sweepstakes require some certain conditions in order for them to be entered. So in this one, you'll see it's a Walmart Back to College Challenge. You can hover over restrictions, and it will show you that you need to be enrolled at least part-time at an accredited college or university located in the United States in order to enter. That is a restriction. Others might be like the Anheuser-Busch Miller Lite football. Must have a valid military ID. Must live or reside in a particular state. Must be a member to a particular product or service like SiriusXM. Now, as you see, there are hundreds of different restricted sweepstakes that are available. Now, why do we highlight these? We highlight these because a restricted sweepstake has these conditions. It means that something must exist in order for you to be able to enter. That means the number of people who enter in total will likely be much smaller than a sweepstakes that is open to the general population. Now, if you want to break this down even further, you can come up here to the left-hand top and it says show only one-time entry sweeps. You click on this. Now you'll notice it decreases the number of sweeps that are presented. Now these are all still restricted sweeps. However, in this case, you're only able to enter them one time. So this improves the odds even more as a single entry is your only chance of participating in this restricted sweep. Now, there's lots of different things you can win, lots of different contests, cars, trips, cash, you name it. What's important about these is to remember there's a limited opportunity for people to enter. So as you're going through this, find some sweepstakes that are of interest to you, some things you might want to win, enter them, and good luck.